Yeah, clearly. And of course it's not going to let us do the settings before starting. And it has my least favorite feature in any game. Gendered classes. I guess we don't have much choice. We're going to be the fox lady. Give me the settings. This window. We'll put VSync on. Oh, it's doing a target FPS. Okay, sure, we can go with that. And it only has FXAA. Yeah, it might be a demo limitation. Region offline, okay. Let's see what this is. This is supposedly a Diablo 2-ish game. Bunch of stutters so far. Hopefully that's just shader stuff. No dodging. I'm missing something. Oh, okay. Skill keys, skill icon. I see. Okay, that's an interesting skill system. Yeah, it might be a skill. Yes. Yeah, I have played Grim Dawn. It's from the Titan Quest devs back in the day. They are obviously not working on the new Titan Quest because that's a different studio. Yeah, Grim Dawn was like their next thing after they, well, maybe not all of them, but a significant chunk of them. That's why it has the same class system. It does seem to be... Oh, that's not loot. That might be why it's not highlighting. Oh, it has a Final Fantasy / Path of Exile type skill tree. This kinda just looks like the Path of Exile tree. Did they just kinda copy paste it? Sure, it works, so why not, I guess. That's kinda funny. Anthropomorphic, I guess, would be the non-derogatory non. Because furry, I guess, is a very specific thing, although I am no expert. Decryption key. Okay. How decrypt? Seems to be a cooldown, but it doesn't actually visually show you the cooldown. That's a bit annoying. Requires melee. The email I don't need to read. Kinda liking the steampunk-esque aesthetic.
That breaks my stride.
Okay, so you can't dual wield. Why, game? Why won't you let me dual wield? Yes, I'm trying to use the ability, but nothing's happening. Oh, wait, what? It might be a priority issue, actually. Okay, yeah, it's a priority issue. Me attacking is overriding my pressing the ability. And that doesn't feel great. But it's a choice, I guess. Doesn't feel as jerky as a lot of other ARPGs like this though, so that's a bonus. Although who knows what it feels like online. Yes, if I do the Diablo thing of holding shift to stand in place. Okay, different. Okay, you can swap them out and they have different level ups. This is probably a very grindy game if you can level up different skills in different ways. And you have that massive ass skill tree. Those skill point things seem to be abundant though. That's kind of what Path of Exile does as well.
Can't carry more.
Fuse multiples of this item into a higher tier item. Okay. Also, why is there no sort button? Who makes a loot game doesn't add a sort button? Bad people, that's who. Okay, alt brings up loot, that's good. So far, the vibe I'm getting from this is Path of Exiles with anthropomorphic animals. I'm sure there's a market for that. So far, it's not a bad game. Maybe slight Torchlight vibes as well from the world and character designs. Okay, it has passive dodge. Makes sense, I guess. PMEM is process RAM. That's how much RAM the game is using. And the same for the VRAM. The PVRAM is the VRAM being used by the game. At the moment, I'm using 10.3 gigs of VRAM, but the game is only using 8.1. Yeah, no problem. It's not necessarily self-explanatory. Here's the salvage. That's a very Diablo 3 salvage thing. No, that can't. No, okay, you can't salvage those. It highlighted them. That's good at least. The snow. Control, okay. Our character changes when we equip stuff, that's a big plus. I'm always amazed how many loot games don't actually have a way to show your loot on the character. Oh, that requires pistol. We might have a pistol again. I haven't looked at the prices for any of these. Does Steam have a price for this yet? I like that the wells replenish the flasks as well.
Out of ether.
Probably not a game. If I were to get it, I would play a ranged character because most of these enemies are melee.
No ether.
And also there's no active dodge. Yeah, pricing is even more important now that the standard is 80 plus. You're going to sell me a game I already have, it better be priced aggressively.
Need ether. Out of ether.
Yeah, Resident Evil 9 kinda even has me interested because it looks really well made. I accidentally didn't cancel my Humble though, so I have RE Village now, so if I were to play an RE game it would probably be that, or try to finish one of the remake games since I already have those.
Need ether.
Oh, this is a cool little game. I'm not sure I need another ARPG right now.